Hi, today we're going to talk about answering multiple choice questions when we're answering reading or listening tasks. Let's start with reading. So the first important thing to do is to skim the text. So read through it really quickly just to get the main idea. Then look at the questions. Don't look at the possible answers, look at just the questions. Whereabouts in the text are they answered? Can you find the correct answer? And then look at the options. Which answer is your answer most similar to? Then look at the other options. Can you justify from the text why the other answers are wrong? Don't forget, you won't necessarily have the same wording from the question in the text. You might need to look for synonyms, antonyms, negative forms, and so on, because typically the answer is paraphrased in the text. Now, I said for reading, it's best to skim through the text first to get a general idea and then look at the questions. But for listening, it's better to read the questions first. Look at the questions and all the possible options for the answers. Look at the key words in the questions and the answers. Can you think of synonyms of these keywords? Can you think of antonyms? Thinking about this and thinking about the question in detail will help you when you come to listen to the recording, because when you listen, you don't really have time to find the answer. It goes very quickly, so you must be prepared. And if you have thought about the keywords, the synonyms and the antonyms, it will be easier for you to hear them and spot the correct answer. Very often, when you are listening to a recording and you have questions about it, the questions are in the order that you would hear them in the recording, usually. So if, for example, you've heard the answer to question 2, but you've not heard the answer to question 1, forget about question 1, move on, because unless it's asking you about the overall meaning of the recording, you've probably missed the answer. Common mistakes that people make are answering the question without looking carefully at the text to see whether the answer they've chosen is the right one or not, and without comparing with the other options. The same with listening. They just hear one word and choose the answer that they think is right without looking at the other options to see why they are not correct. So always look at the other options and check why you think they are not correct. Can you justify, can you find the bit in the text or the bit in the recording that says why those answers are not right, or the exact bit that shows definitely why the answer you've chosen is correct. Always, always, always double check your answers by reading again or listening again. I hope that helped you. Thank you for watching.